Losing your car key fob can be incredibly frustrating. It's a modern inconvenience that almost everyone experiences at some point. But don't panic. There are quick and easy solutions to help you locate your lost key fob. First, retrace your steps. Think about where you last used or saw your key fob. Did you just get out of the car? Walk into the house? Check those immediate areas. Next, look in common key places. Entryway tables, kitchen counters, nightstands, and your favorite coat pockets are prime suspects. Check inside your bag or backpack. Sometimes keys fall into a hidden compartment or get buried under other items. Did you put it somewhere unusual? Maybe you were distracted and placed it in the refrigerator or a bathroom cabinet. It happens. Utilize technology if your key fob has a tracking feature. Many modern fobs come with built-in Bluetooth or GPS capabilities that link to a smartphone app. If it's an Apple AirTag or similar device, use the Find My app on your iPhone to pinpoint its location. Listen for the sound it emits. For non-smart fobs, consider getting a key finder. These small devices attach to your keys and connect to your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to trigger an alarm. Ask family members or housemates if they've seen it or perhaps moved it for safekeeping. A fresh pair of eyes can often spot what you missed. If you're still coming up empty, think about outdoor areas, the driveway, garden, or even in the car itself if it fell between seats. As a last resort, contact your car dealership or a locksmith. They can program a new key fob for you, but be prepared for the cost. To prevent future losses, establish a designated spot for your keys. A hook by the door or a specific tray can make a big difference. Consider attaching a bright, noticeable keychain to your fob. This makes it easier to spot if it's hidden under something. Remember, a lost key fob is not the end of the world. With these tips, you'll likely find it, or at least have a clear path to a solution.